So if you've been waiting on DJI's next move in the subcompact drone world, you're gonna love this, or maybe hate it depending on how you feel about weight limits. Yep, the DJI Mini 5 Pro leaks are here and they're looking pretty serious. From camera upgrades to LiDAR sensors and even a possible weight increase, this thing might just flip the whole mini game on its head. Let's break down everything we know so far. Alright, let's start with the big one, the camera. According to a leaked retail box and early packaging renders, the Mini 5 Pro is getting a 1-inch CMOS sensor. That's the same sensor size we saw in the Air 2S, but now it's in a much smaller drone. You're looking at 4K at 120 frames per second, which is crazy smooth for cinematic shots. Plus, there's a 48mm telephoto crop mode built right into the sensor, meaning you can zoom in without a big quality drop. No gimbal tricks, it's all internal. And yes, true vertical shooting is still here, and the gimbal now reportedly rotates up to 225 degrees, which opens up all kinds of creative angles. Now let's talk sensors, and I mean real sensors. Leaks are saying the Mini 5 Pro comes with LiDAR-based omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Not infrared, not vision sensors, LiDAR. That's the kind of stuff used in self-driving cars. Pair that with active Track 360, waypoint missions, cruise control, and DJI's master shots and night mode, and this drone sounds like it's gunning for the big leagues. Battery-wise, the Mini 5 Pro is said to clock in at about 36 minutes of flight time on a single charge. That's a solid boost over the Mini 4 Pro's 34 minutes. It also runs on DJI's new O4 platform with OkiSync 4 Plus, which means up to 25 kilometers of video transmission range, assuming perfect conditions, of course. There are also upgraded vented motors, which likely help with both efficiency and cooling. Now, here's the part that's got the drone community buzzing. There's no mention of the Mini 5 Pro being under 249 grams, which means this might be the first mini drone that actually isn't. Why? Well, with LiDAR, a 1-inch sensor, and a bigger battery, it's not surprising that the weight crept up. But there is talk of a lighter battery option to keep it under the 250-gram limit in certain markets, so DJI might offer multiple versions depending on where you live. Still, if you're in a country where that sub 250-gram rule matters for registration, you'll definitely want to double check when it drops. Now, here's where things get a bit murky. Initial rumors pointed to an August 7th launch, but that's likely delayed now. Most insiders think DJI will push the release into September 2025, possibly lining it up with the rumored DJI Neo 2. And if you're in the US, it gets trickier. DJI isn't officially selling there anymore due to ongoing trade restrictions, so availability might be import only or limited to certain online retailers. So is the Mini 5 Pro just a beefed up Mini 4 Pro, or is it more like a mini version of the Air 3? With everything we've seen, the new sensor, LiDAR, smarter tracking, and potential legal headaches, this is shaping up to be the most powerful mini yet, even if it stretches the definition of mini. What do you guys think? Is it worth losing that sub 250-gram label for all these upgrades, or are you sticking with your Mini 4 Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and as always, like and subscribe if you want more drone updates just like this. Catch you in the next one. Peace.